The second part we want to do is assemble the counter. There's a mark here showing where the counter should be connected. We're looking for the part with the stripes, not the white part. We insert it with the striped part facing up towards the port. Next, we insert the cable into the PCB inside so it doesn't interfere with closing. We lift the ribbon slightly above the body of the touchpad and close it. The touchpad is now connected to the wall. All that's left for us to do now is take the battery with the logo facing up is placed inside. The cable on the side goes into this hole from underneath, just like that. At this stage, we rotate the body of the battery, insert it inside, connect red to red and black to black, push it in, and close the battery inside. After we've closed the touchpad, we take the board, insert it here, and simply close the touchpad. Now the touchpad is ready to be powered on.